Hi everyone, welcome to my Katha. This is Kirti here, and a big thanks to Meera for giving me this nice opportunity. When Meera said nature is going to be a topic, I just got two names in my mind, Wordsworth and Robert Frost. So here I go with my first poem written by Robert Frost. The poem is Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening by Frost. Whose woods are these? I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his boots fill up with snow. My little horse should find it cure to stop without a farmer's near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, and I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. The last four lines are my favorite, and it is said that Pandit Nehru had these four lines inscribed in his office too. That's my first poem. Now here I go with my second poem that is penned by me, again on the topic of nature. The poem is Pledge for our Nature. Hey mankind, pause to ponder, as such a day is not in yonder, when we are covered from head to toe with garbage, oil, grease overflow. Use your sixth sense, think, will you ever live in a stink? Ask yourself over and again, who has brought in all this pain? We filled her up with plastic, not sparing space even for a tick. We did not consider Mother Nature, nor any of her creatures. We had time to mend our ways, still we let it go hayway. We made her react till we retract. When floods, tsunamis struck in full glory, we saw her at the peak of fury. The landslides, the earthquakes and the rains were to remind us of the inflicted plains. Hey mankind, stop, think and proceed. Without nature, we can't succeed. Let's pledge not to break this food chain. Instead, join hands to build a stronger chain. The next poem is going to be a Hindi one, which I had written during this lockdown times. It talks about perception and probably talks about thinking positively in every given grave situation. The poem's name is Nazariya. माना दुनिया परेशान है, महामारी और तूफान से गूंज रहा है। कैद हैं हम सब महीनों से अपने घरों के चार दीवारों में। इन मुश्किल पलों को जरा देकर देखो दूसरा नजारा। हैं हम महफूज अपने घरों में, अपने परिवार संग इन 3 महीनों में। क्या नहीं सीखा हमने, हंसते खेलते संभलते संभालते, साथ रहने से बढ़ती है खुशियां, हाथ बटाने से कटती है भोज। इन पलों को ले लो आनंद, हो जाओ इनमें मग्न। वापस नहीं आएंगे ये पल, क्या पता कल हो ना हो ये पल। I hope you really liked the poems that I presented today as much as I enjoyed reading it out for you. Once again, a big thanks to Meera for giving such a wonderful opportunity. I really enjoyed listening to the poems that I have heard so far. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye-bye.